The world of elephants, the gentle giants of nature, welcome to our in-depth exploration of one of the most fascinating and iconic animals on the planet, elephants. As the largest land mammals on Earth, elephants captivate us with their size, intelligence, and complex social structures. In this video, we'll dive into the biology, behavior, habitats, and the role elephants play in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Let's embark on a journey into the world of these magnificent giants. Elephant species, African and Asian elephants. There are two main species of elephants, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. While they share many similarities, they also have distinct characteristics. African elephants are larger, with males weighing up to 6 tons and standing about 3 to 4 meters tall. They are easily recognizable by either large ears, which are shaped like the African continent. African elephants have two distinct subspecies, the African bush elephant and the smaller African forest elephant. Asian elephants, on the other hand, are slightly smaller, with males weighing up to 5 tons. Their ears are smaller and rounder, and only some males possess tusks. Asian elephants also have a more curved back and a domed forehead compared to their African counterparts. Physical features and adaptations. Elephants are equipped with several unique features that make them highly adaptable to their environments. The trunk, the elephant's trunk, a combination of its nose and upper lip, is perhaps its most remarkable feature. With over 40,000 muscles, the trunk is incredibly flexible and strong. Elephants use their trunks for a variety of tasks, from drinking water and picking up food to showing affection and defending themselves. Tusks. These elongated incisors are used for digging, stripping bark from trees, and in some cases, as weapons during fights. While all African elephants, male and female, have tusks, only some male Asian elephants have them. Ears. Elephants' large ears not only serve as a hearing aid but also act as natural air conditioners. By flapping their ears, elephants can cool themselves down, a crucial adaptation in the hot climates they inhabit. Thick skin. Elephant skin is around 2.5 centimeters thick and is wrinkled, helping them retain moisture and stay cool. Despite its toughness, their skin is sensitive and prone to sunburn, which is why elephants often coat themselves in mud for protection. Elephant behavior and social structure. Elephants are highly social creatures and live in matriarchal herds. The social structure of elephants is complex and revolves around strong family ties. Matriarchal society. Elephant herds are led by the oldest and wisest female, the matriarch. She plays a critical role in guiding the group, making decisions about where to find food, water, and shelter. The matriarch's knowledge of the terrain is crucial for the survival of the herd, especially during times of drought. Communication. Elephants are known for their deep emotional intelligence and ability to communicate over long distances using infrasound. They also communicate through a variety of vocalizations, trumpeting, and body language. Elephants can convey emotions such as joy, grief, and anger, and they have been observed mourning the loss of their companions. Play and bonding. Calves are nurtured and protected by all members of the herd. Elephants display playfulness, especially young ones, who frequently engage in play fighting, chasing, and swimming. These activities strengthen social bonds and develop essential skills for adulthood. Elephant intelligence and memory. Elephants are widely regarded as one of the most intelligent animals in the world. Their brains are large, weighing around 5 kilograms, and their cognitive abilities are impressive. Problem solving. Elephants have demonstrated the ability to solve complex problems and use tools in their environment. In the wild, they have been observed breaking branches to use as flash swatters or digging to find water. Memory. The saying "an elephant never forgets" holds some truth. Elephants have exceptional memories, which are crucial for their survival. Matriarchs remember the locations of water sources and food during droughts, and they can recall interactions with other herds and even humans over long periods. Empathy and emotion. Elephants are capable of deep empathy, often comforting and helping members of their group in distress. They have also been observed displaying behaviors associated with grief, including revisiting the bones of deceased elephants. Diet and feeding habits. Elephants are herbivores, and their diets are extensive due to their large size. An adult elephant can consume up to 150 kilograms of food and drink around 190 liters of water daily. Feeding habits. Elephants spend the majority of their day, up to 16 hours, feeding. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, fruits, bark, and roots. African elephants prefer a diet of grasses during the rainy season and rely on woody plants during the dry season. Role as ecosystem engineers, elephants play a vital role in shaping their environment. They help create clearings in forests, which promote the growth of new vegetation. By digging for water, elephants provide access to water for other animals. Their dung is also a crucial component of the ecosystem, as it helps disperse seeds and fertilize the soil. Elephant migration and habitat. Elephants live in a variety of habitats, from savannas and forests to deserts and marshlands. Their habitats are determined by the availability of food and water, and they are known to migrate great distances in search of these resources. Migration patterns. Elephants are nomadic by nature, and their migration routes are often passed down through generations. They can travel up to 50 miles a day during migration, which helps maintain the health of their ecosystems by preventing overgrazing in any one area. Threats to elephants. Despite their size and strength, elephants face numerous threats in the wild: habitat loss, deforestation, agricultural expansion, and urban development have led to the loss of elephant habitats. As their natural habitats shrink, elephants come into more frequent conflict with humans. Poaching. Elephants are targeted by poachers for their ivory tusks, which are highly valued on the black market. Despite international bans on ivory trade, illegal poaching continues to threaten elephant populations, particularly in Africa. Human-elephant conflict. As human populations grow and expand into elephant territories, conflicts arise. Elephants may raid crops or damage property, leading to retaliatory killings by farmers. Efforts are being made to mitigate these conflicts through community-based conservation programs. Conservation efforts. Conservationists and governments around the world are working tirelessly to protect elephants and their habitats. Anti-poaching initiatives. Many countries have implemented strict anti-poaching laws, and organizations like the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, work to monitor and protect elephant populations through patrols, technology, and community involvement. Protected areas. Establishing national parks and wildlife reserves has been a key strategy in elephant conservation. These protected areas provide elephants with safe spaces to live, feed, and reproduce without the threat of human interference. Community involvement. In many regions, local communities are becoming involved in elephant conservation. Ecotourism initiatives, where tourists can observe elephants in the wild, provide economic incentives for communities to protect rather than hunt elephants. Elephants in culture and symbolism. Throughout history, elephants have held a special place in human culture and symbolism, religious and cultural importance. In many cultures, elephants are symbols of wisdom, strength, and prosperity. In Hinduism, the elephant-headed god Ganesha is revered as the remover of obstacles and the god of new beginnings. Elephants in entertainment. While elephants have been used in circuses and as work animals in the past, there is growing awareness about the need to protect them from exploitation. Many countries are banning the use of elephants in entertainment, and efforts are underway to rehabilitate and release captive elephants back into the wild. The future of elephants. The future of elephants depends on the actions we take today. Conservation efforts, combined with global awareness, can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam the earth for generations to come. Awareness and education. Educating the public about the importance of elephants to the ecosystem is critical for their conservation. Campaigns to reduce the demand for ivory and promote sustainable tourism are essential to preserving elephant populations. International cooperation. Protecting elephants requires international cooperation, as these animals cross national borders during their migrations. Cross-border conservation initiatives are being implemented to ensure elephants can move freely between habitats. Conclusion. The world of elephants is rich, complex, and awe-inspiring. As intelligent, social creatures, they play an irreplaceable role in the ecosystems they inhabit. While they face numerous challenges, from poaching to habitat loss, conservation efforts offer hope for their survival. By learning about elephants and supporting conservation initiatives, we can help protect these gentle giants and the natural world they call home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content on Wild Diary Florence. Let's continue exploring the wonders of nature together.